Your 401k might not be enough anymore. In fact, if you're relying solely on your 401k for your retirement, you could be setting yourself up for a difficult financial future. Over the past few decades, the landscape for retirement planning has changed dramatically. The stock market is unpredictable, inflation is creeping up, and your 401k may not be growing at the rate you need to maintain your lifestyle. Let's dive into why that is and what you can do about it. As many of you know, the traditional 401k was designed to provide a safety net after retirement. But here's the problem. The system relies heavily on stocks and bonds. While those have been good performers in the past, they come with a lot of risks, especially now. With market volatility at an all-time high, it's not just a matter of if you'll lose money, but when. What's worse is that your 401k is often limited to a narrow selection of investment options. It might have mutual funds or ETFs, but those funds still depend on the market, and they're not foolproof. In the end, if the market crashes, so does your 401k. And if you're nearing retirement age, you simply don't have the time to recover from those losses. But here's the good news. There are ways to protect your wealth from these risks. One option that's been gaining traction among high net worth individuals, and especially retirees, is a gold IRA. Thousands of Americans are opening gold IRAs because they provide a hedge against inflation, stock market crashes, and even government instability. And while 401ks might not be enough anymore, a gold IRA could be the solution you've been looking for. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, I recommend you check out the free Gold IRA guide that's linked below. This guide will help you understand how gold IRAs work, why they're an excellent option, and how you can start protecting your savings today. Now let's talk about why a gold IRA is your best option when it comes to securing your retirement. Gold is a tangible asset, meaning it doesn't lose its value in the same way that stocks or bonds can. Over the last 20 years, gold has increased in value consistently, making it a reliable asset to hold on to during times of economic uncertainty. While your 401k is tied to the stock market and exposed to all the ups and downs, gold has a long history of being a stable store of value. In addition to that, a gold IRA gives you the flexibility to diversify your wealth. You're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It's a strategy that makes sense for anyone who wants to ensure that their retirement savings are protected, especially during times when inflation is rising and stock market volatility is high. You can protect your assets in ways that traditional retirement accounts simply can't offer. Another big advantage of a gold IRA is that it provides greater control over your investments. With a 401k, your investment options are often limited to what your employer or plan administrator allows. But with a gold IRA, you can choose exactly where your money goes. You can invest in physical gold, silver, or other precious metals that hold their value, offering peace of mind when markets are shaky. And here's something that most people don't realize. Your 401k isn't the only option for securing your wealth. For Americans who have 100k or more in their IRA or 401k, or even 5 Mem Plus in savings, a gold IRA is an incredibly powerful tool for wealth preservation. It's an ideal way to protect your wealth against the erosion of purchasing power and the risks of inflation, ensuring that your savings continue to grow even when the economy is struggling. If you're looking for a way to take control of your financial future, don't just settle for a traditional 401k. Gold IRAs offer a better way forward. So, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide today. This is the first step in making sure that your retirement is secure, no matter what the future holds. Remember, the best time to act is now. If you're someone who wants to make sure your savings are protected, especially if you have significant wealth, then a gold IRA might be exactly what you need. This opportunity isn't just for people with a small retirement fund. It's perfect for high net worth retirees who want to safeguard their wealth and secure a better future for themselves and their families. If you want to get started with a gold IRA or learn more, make sure to click that first link. It's a no pressure, no commitment resource that could make all the difference in your retirement planning.